Convert your terrain to an editable polymesh. Select the contour of the terrain and move it down to reflect more volume. Create a base for the terrain with a box. Apply a chamfer to the corners. Run Serie Builder plugin. Select Pin Maps Rollout. Select a pin and place it on top of the terrain. Select Terain Builder Rollout and select the plants you want to add to the terrain. We're going to use Multiscatter plugin to recreate the nature for this terrain scene. Terain Builder don't pack with Multiscatter or a third scatter party plugin. We're going to import a previous Multiscatter preset with custom tweaks. Add the plants from the Terain Builder plugin you want to scatter. Select the surface where will be placed the plants. Apply a nature map texture as the mask of the terrain. Open Nature Map and invert colors from black to white. The mask responds to grayscales where black is no nature and white is full nature. Notice that the nature is not on the mountains, just in flat terrain.